The Trimui Brick is a compact handheld gaming console designed to cater to retro gaming enthusiasts who want portability without sacrificing too much performance. With a 3.2-inch IPS display and a resolution of 1024 by 768, it delivers sharp and vibrant visuals for 8-bit, 16-bit, and some 32-bit titles, making it an appealing option for casual and nostalgic gamers. Its brick-shaped design is easy to carry and features like swappable shoulder buttons, a metal backplate for heat dissipation, and RGB accent lighting add a premium touch to the overall build. However, the console is not without its drawbacks. Some users report ergonomics issues, particularly with longer gaming sessions, as the compact size can feel cramped and the shoulder buttons are sometimes awkward to reach. Performance-wise, it handles retro games well, but struggles with more demanding titles due to its modest chipset and limited RAM. While there is no strong evidence that Trimui Brick is a scam, there are reports of defective units, firmware bugs, overheating, and inconsistent build quality, which means the reliability can vary from unit to unit. For those considering a purchase, it is important to buy from a reputable retailer with clear warranty and return policies. Overall, the Trimui Brick is a legitimate product that delivers fun and portable retro gaming, but it comes with compromises in ergonomics, performance, and quality control, so buyers should manage their expectations accordingly.